Okay. Yes. Type TR and trim off. Yes, you can. Yes, that's fine. Yes, that's fine. Okay. Okay. And then the one below. Okay, that's fine. So now remove those boundary lines that you use to create that. Okay. Yes, yes, it's fine now. Okay. So basically, once you're done with your framing and you have done your superimpose, which you carried all the columns and put on the first floor, and you can see that everything is okay, it is now time for us to now export this drawing to the software Protastructure. So now, for us to export this drawing to Protastructure, you have to save just this your framing plan as on its own alone. And for you to, yes, DSF. So you have to highlight just that drawing alone and type W, enter. So do that. Highlight that drawing now. Highlight it. Highlight just that drawing. Yes, just that one. Type W, enter. W, enter. Okay, now click on that place that's no, hold on. Just cancel first. Just cancel that place that says cancel it first. Click on that place that says insert unit. Choose millimeter because that's what they use to draw that plan. So use millimeter. Insert unit that is below. You can see it below there. Insert unit. Choose millimeter. Do you hear me? Rinah, can you hear me? But I'm not seeing it. That's the main thing. I'm not seeing the millimeter. Okay, if you have done that, okay, yes, that's fine. Now click now to save it on anywhere. Anywhere on desktop. No. Click to save it. Yes, yes, no, that place, that icon there. Not okay. That icon. Yes. Choose to save it. Yes. You can save it anywhere, either on your desktop or anywhere. Click there and put the file name. Put the file name shopping plaza, shopping building design. Put the file name as shopping building design. Yes, just type the file name in. Type it, the file name. Yes, building design. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and make sure you choose DSF. Yes. Make sure you choose DSF. Now you have choose DSF now. Okay, that's fine. You have choose DSF. Now, yes. Then click on save. Save. Then click on OK and wait for it to save. Yes. Okay. So right now it has saved. Minimize this now and open the software Protastructure. Open the software Protastructure. Yes, open that. Okay, just hold on for it to open. Okay. Okay, time now is 11:35 on your time, right? Okay, now click on the place that says new folder. You can see that place that icon. Yes, that place here. Click there and then type the project name now. Shopping. Just type shopping building design. Shopping building design. You can use capital letter. It's good to use capital letter for yes. Use shift. No. For you to add space, hold on, go back. For you to add space, use shift minus, shift minus key, shift minus. Hold your shift key and then press. Okay, that's still okay. That's still fine. Then type the next one, building. I think that's okay. You can just stop at building. You can stop at building and then press OK. Then choose your code. Once you press OK, choose your code, Eurocode, and then press and click on import. Yes. Okay, so once you click on import, automatically it will import all the formulas that was used on that code. Okay, so right now on this place, you have to now click on file. Click on file. You can see that file at the top left. Then go to model file import. Model file import. Now go to external reference drawing. Yes, click there. Then click on load DSF. Click on load DSF. Now locate, yes, that place, DSF, click there. Now locate your desktop where you save the file. It's on your desktop as sure as that one. Click that one and say open. Okay. Then just say okay. Just say okay. Then click on use color. No, sorry, again, use color. Use the color that I use in AutoCAD. And then click on import members. Yes. Click on import members. And then click on that import axis and import column. So you can now see that it is now importing axis as grid and then column as column layer. Okay. And then click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. So it will now automatically convert. Just click on cancel or cancel at don't or close. Yes. So right now it will convert those your grid line and column to a structural element. Okay, so you can ask that this is how to import. This is how to import drawing or your GA drawing into Protastructure. Can you see that? Okay. 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 What's the question? Okay. 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 Like when there is just hold on. Like when there is no void on a drawing, and you'll be seeing those X line. Is it what you're saying? Okay. Okay. There is a reason that it might happen. Okay. 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 Then also that it might happen if you're using a drawing that was done using ArchiCAD. If a drawing is done using ArchiCAD, before you must begin your framing, you must first of all have to expose. First of all, you must have to explode that your reading plan at least twice before you must begin to put your columns and then import it to Protastructure. So I don't know, maybe that plan that you used was done using this other software, ArchiCAD. So maybe that's one of the reason. Okay. 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 Maybe. Do you still have that drawing here? Okay. What will happen? No. What will happen? After maybe tomorrow morning or during the day, find a plan, and then when we meet tomorrow, we can then just import it to see what's happening over there. All right. Okay, so right now, once you've imported your drawing here, the first thing you have to check is to look at the column size, because most at times this software used to change column sizes. So look at the column size. So just zoom in now and look at the column size. Remember that we use a column size of 225 by 225. So you can see that it has changed to 230 by 230, right? So right now, first of all, click on save first, save it first, click on save first. Once you have saved, we will now change all the column automatically to what to the size that we used before. So once it's done saving, we'll now change it automatically to what we have. Okay, so right now to change your column automatically, we will have to work on the structure tree. Now, if you look at your left-hand side, you will see that there is a panel on that area that is showing story 1 and story 0. Can you see that? Now, under story 1, click on that place that says columns. Click there and right-click on that place. Right-click there. When you right-click there, you now click on column table. Most of the times, it might meant to shut down the software, but if okay. Yeah, although most of the times it might shut down, so you just have to open it up again and do it again. So right now, click on the place that says B1. Can you see that B1? Click on that B1, B1, B1. Yes, click there. And then if you look at above, you will see the place that has a pencil and a paper icon. Click on it. That is called column wise edit. A pencil and a paper at the top. Yes, click there. Click there and type your new dimension for your column, which is 225 that we use on our GA, 225, and then press OK and do the same thing for B2. For B2, you see that everything have changed for B2 also, and do the same thing again. So this is how to change your column size automatically if you have a uniform column size. Okay. Now click on close. You can see that everything has changed. Click on close and you see that it has changed on our model. Okay. So first of all, again, now once you're done with that, let's now begin to now insert our beams. So we will end this class by 12 p.m. by 12 a.m. your time, because it will be late in your own time. So let us insert our beams now. So to insert your beam, click on concrete member, and then click on beam, on concrete beams. Yes. Now, once you do that, you have to impute your sizes. So put in your beam width as 225. Beam width should be the same width with the column. So put in your beam width so that they can be able to flush very well. So put in your beam width, which is that B. B should be 225, which is the same thing with the column width. And then put in your, can you hear me? Yeah, B is the, yes, 225. And then put in your beam depth. That H bottom, that H bot simply means your beam depth. So I told you before on our first class that your beam depth starts from 450. That should be your minimum. So put there 450 millimeter, 450. Okay. And then to now begin to insert, that's all you do. Now begin to insert your beam. Click on any of the column and click on the last column and it will insert automatically. Click on the first column on your model now. Go to your model. Click on any of the column. As you can see, those your lines now. You have already known how your beams are going to run. So begin to trace it now. Trace those things that you're seeing there. Trace those things that you're seeing there. And just begin to draw the beams based on the lines that you're seeing there. So you can click on the yes, click there, and then it will insert. You can do it one along. Since you have been all over that line, click on the first one, and then on the last column, it will just insert the beam automatically based on how it is. Scroll like zoom out now, zoom out and click on the last column on that line. Click the last column on that line. It will insert the beam automatically for you. Yes, click there and then watch it. Yes, click there and wait for it to insert the color. Yes, that's fine. So that's how to insert beam. That if you have a beam all over a grid, that's how to. No, you just click on the last point. It will insert a grid. Since you have a beam all over that line, click on the last column there. It will insert. Don't you have beam across that place? You have beam across that place. Okay, yes, that's fine. Yes, no, continue. Just continue. I'm seeing you continue. Yes, there first. Click there. Click there. Yes. Yes, click there. Yes, there. Yes, there. So just trace everything you have there. Trace it. Those things you have there, trace them by putting your beams based on what you have. That's why you did your GA. That GA you did was to know how you're going to place your beams. So those lines that is showing there now is for you to trace your beams now based on that. Okay. Yes, yes, I'm with you. Okay. Yes, I'm with you. Yes, I think you didn't put a. Yes, I can see that you didn't put a grid line there. Yes, so just press escape. Press escape. Just press escape and then offset a grid line. Offset that one. Press your escape key first. Escape, and then click on the nearest grid line to offset. Click on the nearest grid line there and click on offset. Right click and then say offset. Okay, now offset. Click on offset axis. Now hold on, just hold on. Zoom in. No, hold on. Zoom in that place where you want to put your grid line. Not that place. Just no. Do you know the dimension? No. Don't just escape. Right now, you don't know the dimension yet. So press escape. Let me just show you a simple trick. Just escape. Do it again. Do it again. Offset again. Click on again to yes again, and then click directly on the external wall that is showing there. That external wall, click on it. Click on that external line that is showing there. The external line that is showing there, the beam line that is there. Just that, yes, that one. Click there. Yes, click there on the line itself. Zoom in. Click at that black line that is showing. Yes, there. Now, since we know that our beam width is what 225, so we have to now offset half of it, which is 112.5. So move now, move it, move that grid now. Right click now and then say move. Right click and say move. Right click and then say move. Move it now and type in your value 112.5, 112.5, which is half of it. Type F2, F2 to put in your dimension. So put minus 112.5, minus 112.5, 112.5, 112.5. 2.5, yes, 0.5, and press enter, enter it. Yes, that's fine. Okay, so you can now continue. So continue again. Okay, continue. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Just hold on, hold on, no, 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 hold on, hold on first, hold on first. You must put that, put the main beam first before you can put that one. Put the main beam at X2, grid line X2, before you can put that vertical one. Can you hear me? Yes, put that one first across. Yes, put that one first across. You must put the main beam first across. No, just go to the end, to the ending column. Go again to the last column. Put a beam across to the last column. No, horizontal. Horizontal. You have not. You have. You have not put the last one. Escape and put the next one. Yes, from that place to. You have not put the beam yet. You have to put the beam all through that X. No, no, no. Leave it. Leave it. It's okay. It's okay. But you need to. It's okay. But put the horizontal one. Yes, from that place to the next column, to column 28. Yes, exactly. Yes, put it there. No, 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 no. Yes, just go across. A beam must run that place. A beam should run across. Just go across to the next column and put it there. A beam, yes, to that place. Yes, 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 there. Maybe you didn't do your GA well. I can hear you. Yes, I'm with you. I'm with you. Yes, yes, I get. But a beam is meant to connect with them. So you have to connect it with a beam. Connect with a beam. Yes. When you put a beam, doesn't mean that yes, yes. When you put a beam, it doesn't mean that let me say there'll be a block wall there. No. But a beam can just go on its own without going with it. Yes, can you hear me? Yes, I said when you're doing your framing, most times you can put a beam without the block wall going with it. So it doesn't mean that there is no beam there, or there is no wall line there. Doesn't mean that there won't be beam there. A beam can still go where there is no block wall going through. So that's what I mean. Yeah. Okay. So right now you can now put the beam that you're meant to put before, this vertical beam. You can now escape and put the vertical beam now. Yes, yes. You can now put you can put that one now. Yes, and stop there. Yes. Okay, that's fine. And then, so continue with the rest. I can hear you. Yes, I can hear what you say. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, exactly. You must use a beam to connect them at the top. Yes, so use the beam to connect them together. Okay, that's fine. Next one again. Yes, go all the way down. You can go all the way down. Yes. Connect it all the way. Yes, connect it. Because if you don't connect it, yes, if you don't connect that, there's no way you can put a slab that will be that big. So that's why you will need a beam, yes, to separate them. Okay. No, 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 no. You must use a beam to do that. Okay. Yes, I'm with you. Okay, okay, okay. Now let's go back to that place now where you are before. Yes, that place that was about the main beam. No, where the beam was carrying another beam, not on the column. Now, what I mean by main beam, when I mean by main beam, yes, that place. Zoom in that place. Yes, that place. Now, what I mean by main beam, basically, the actual name for main beam is called primary beam. A primary beam is simply a main beam that is carrying a secondary beam. Now, like a secondary beam is a beam that is being supported by a different beam. That's what they call secondary beam. Why a primary beam is a beam that is carrying a beam. I don't know if you get what I mean. It's just like you now carrying your finger. What I mean, a primary beam is called a main beam. And also, a primary beam is a beam that is carrying another beam. I don't know if you get what I mean. Like if you look at this beam now, this this beam 26 now, this beam 26 is carrying beam 27. Can you see that at one end? Can you see that? So yes, 27 is the vertical one that is just beside you there. So this beam 27 now is considered as a secondary beam because it is being carried by beam 26, which is the main beam. Can you see that? Yes. So that's what they call main beam, or you call it primary beam. Primary beam carries a secondary beam. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. So you're meant to put, first of all, you are meant to insert the main beam first before you can now insert the other beam. Okay. So put a beam now vertical across. Yes. So put a beam now vertical. What do you say? Zoom in. Yeah, zoom in. I'm not seeing very well. Zoom in. Yes. Yes, I'm with you. Yes, you are meant to insert, first of all, primary beam. So once you see that there is a beam that is going to carry the other beam, the first thing you do is to escape and then insert the main beam first before you can now insert the other one that will be supported on it. Yeah, because if you don't do that, it will mark it will mark the other beam which is not supported as a cantilever beam, which is not okay. So that's why I say you are meant to insert the main beam first before you can insert the primary beam, because that main beam has a column which will carry it. So that's why you're meant to insert it first before you can insert the primary beam. Sorry, the other beam that is secondary. Yeah. Okay. Hello, are you there? Okay, let me know. So continue now. Continue putting your beams. Yeah. So continue putting your beams. Yeah. Yes. Yes, correct. A beam should run there vertical, all the way down, all the way down to the last column along that line. Just go all the way down to the last column. It will divide itself. No. Zoom in first. Yes, to that place. Yes, continue. Yes, just continue. No, just continue. Continue up to the last column on that grid, because I think there's a beam running. Yes, put there and then continue again. Yes, put there and then continue again. Yes, continue again all the way down. Continue again. Okay, stop there. Yeah, stop on that place. Yes, that's fine. Now, before you continue, you must go and put the main beam first. You can see that a main beam should run horizontal first before you can now do that one. Can you hear me? On grid line X10. Yeah, okay, okay, yes. Okay, yes. Start from there. Start from there. Yeah, start from there. No, 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 don't put that one yet. Now zoom in that place. You can see that that place now is marked as cantilever. Zoom in that place. You see a cantilever line there, symbol. Zoom in, zoom in. That triangle there shows that it's a cantilever because there is nothing carrying this beam at this end. You're meant to put the main beam first before you cannot put this one. So right now, just press your delete button to now remove this beam. Just press your delete key. Press your delete key to remove that beam. Just press your delete key. Yeah, that's fine. So now put in the main beam first, which is on this grid line. Yes, which is on this grid line Y5. Sorry, Y6. Y6 should carry the. Okay, just put your beams first. I'm just watching at you. Which is the last grid on that line. The last vertical grid on that line. The last vertical grid on that line. Y6, the last vertical grid. Yes, that one. Yes, so put a beam. Yes, so put a beam across all that line. Before I cannot put any other beam. From that place, yes, all the way down to the last column on that line. Yes, to that place. Yes. No, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Yes, that place. Stop there. Yes, start from there and go all the way down. Yes, to that place and stop there. Okay. Now you can now continue. Go again all the way down. Horizontal. From that point all the way down. Yes. Yes, to that place. Yes. So go again. Continue again. All the way down to that point and keep it there. Yes. And then escape and continue again. Yes, yes, yes. Continue again. Then once you have done that, continue again. Just go all the way down. Yes, 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 yes. That's right. That is okay. Because that beam now is being supported by that vertical beam. So that's fine. So continue again. Yeah. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Connect that one too. Now go all the way down to the last, from that place to the last column on that line. To the last column on that line. Yes. Yes, because a beam should run there. Yeah. Then this other one, just at your back, connect that place, connect it vertical at your back. Just that being that. Okay, yes, yes. Put that one. Put that one. Put that one. Yes, yes, yes. Put that one too. Go all the way down. Okay. Then put the horizontal one at the center, at the middle. There is one beam that you're meant to put at the center, at the middle. Yes, that one all the way down. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Then now go on to the next again. There is, yes, put that one too. Yes, 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 you can do that. Since we already have the main beam now carrying it, so you can put that one now. Okay. Yes, yes, I'm with you. Yes, you can do that. Yes, 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 yes. It makes sense because there should be a slab on that place. So without the beam, it will be very hard to put a slab there. So that's fine. Yes, yes, yes. Connect it. Yes, because there should be a slab. Or you can go. No, no. Hold on, hold on, hold on. You can go it horizontal. Horizontal. Go it horizontal. Yes, yes, yes. That'll be more better. Yes, yes, yes. That one should be more better. Yes, that one. Okay. You can still do it anyhow. Anyone you want is still okay. If you want vertical, is fine. If you want horizontal, it's still okay. So it depends on your own choice. Yes, exactly. Because we have although we can still put our slab without the beam, but just that it will not give a good look. Because if they look at the like the building, they will be seeing the beam, those beam coming out. So it will not have a good look. So that's why we have to put a beam also to be able to get a good look of the structure. You are asking why we inserted that vertical beam, right? Okay. So I say that we can still have a slab without that beam, but just that to just for us to get a good look of the for the structure. That's why I say we should put a beam there. Else, we can still put just a slab without that beam. No, no, no. That just the vertical beam alone, but the other one that is going horizontal must be there. Must be there. Yes, yes, yes. Else, yes, yes. To be able to carry the slab on the ends. Yes. We already have the columns there already. Can't you see the columns there? Check your 3D view. Okay, now let's go to your slabs now. But first of all, I think there is a place where we have not put a beam yet. Sorry, calm down. There's a place that the panel is too big. Calm down. This near the staircase here, you should have a beam in between this long panel. Yes, you can see that there's a long. Yes, yes. No, 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 no. From the column, go. Yes, yes, yes. Across there. Yes, because this panel is too big for a slab. So divide it into two. Yes, that's fine. So right now, let's now go and put our. Yes, as you can see that is very long. It's very long. You can see that it's very long. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So right now, let's now put our slabs now. Our slabs. Since you're done with bin now, let's now go and put our slabs. So click on slab, concrete member, and then slab. I I told you last time that your slab depth minimum. So if you have a book there, you can take your book. But if you don't have it, let me just tell you. So should I tell you? Okay, I say that minimum slab depth is 150. Minimum slab depth is 150. Although US used to use 120, 100, but for UK and Eurocode, it is good to use 150 as your minimum slab depth. Yes. So put there 150 and cover, leave it as 25. Is okay as 25. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Don't click on update first. No, no, no. Don't use do updates. Now go to load. Once you put your slab depth, then go to loads. Now under your loads, your dead load shall is your note close by. Okay, so write down the way they get your dead load. Dead load is gotten. I don't know if I told you last time. It's gotten by your finishing load and your partition load. And I told you that. Okay, so put down. Okay, so put down how to get your dead load. Dead load is gotten by finishing load and then your partition load. So finishing load is, I say dead I say dead load is the combination of your finishing load and your partition load. Hello, can you hear me? Okay. Yes. So dead load is the combination of finishing load plus partition load. And finishing load depends on the kind of structure. If you see that a structure has a lot of design, like let me say, like fanciful design, like cladding and all that, you understand what I mean? Fanciful design, it is good to it is good to have your this thing to be 1.2, finishing load to be 1.2, but or 1.5. But if the building doesn't have much design like cladding and all that, then you can have your this thing to be 1.0, finishing load to be 1.0 or 1.2. Then partition load is always taken as 0.5. 0.5. So right now, depending on the type of finishing that you want for that's on the building, if it's, yes, 0.5. 0.5. Okay, I say finishing load varies. The load varies from 1.0 to 2.0, but it depends. Now, the way to select the finishing load is that if you look at that the building, let me say that like I don't know if you know White House in like in US White House. Okay, you can see that that building has so many designs, like all these exterior design, cladding around the windows, all this fanciful stuff, right? Okay, so with that kind of once you have that kind of building, that kind of design, it is good to use that it is used to use 1.5 or 2.0 as your finishing load. But if you're designing for just a normal building, like normal residential building for a client, and you know that let me say it will not carry much design, much cladding design and all that, then you can use 1.0 or 1.2. So our advice, you can stick to 1.2 or 1.5. So, but for the sake of this building, since it's just let me say like a shopping plaza, we can use 1.2 as our finishing load. So now, if you add 1.2 to 0.5, that gives us what, 1.7, right? So the dead load now becomes, yes, 1.2 plus 1 plus 0.5. That gives us 1.7, right? We are choosing 1.2 as the finishing load. So now dead load, now knowing that dead load is the combination of the finishing load and the partition load, now that we now know what our listing is, finishing load is, if you now add it up, finishing load plus the plus 0.5, which is that partition load, that gives us what, 1.7, right? I'm asking. Okay, so now put your dead load now as 1.7. 1.7. Okay. Now, okay, let me hear you. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me hear you. You're busy. Yes. 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 Exactly. Exactly. So once you have bigger buildings like for event center, for halls, for banking, yeah, it is used to increase you can choose your finishing to be 1.5. 1.5 finishing low, yeah, 1.5. But for normal building, you understand, like private building that is less busy, you can use 1.0 or 1.2 as your finishing load. So if you now add it up, okay, no, 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 no. So hold on. There is difference between shopping plaza and shopping mall. This one here is a plaza. It's like it's not like a mall where the whole crowd will come in to come and pick what they want. This is like a shopping plaza where someone will just come and rent and sell something like a boutique, or sell like to just sell shoes. You understand? It's not something like like a shopping mall, like all these ShopRite, or like a mall. No, this is not a mall. There is a difference between mall and a plaza. A plaza is like just a lockup shop where someone just come and sell a few things. Exactly. But a mall is where you can have people just come and do, just to come and just to have a, like, to check prices, and also to note some things down, and also to buy and just to have fun. Yes, so that one is very busy. But this is just a plaza, it's just a small shop where someone can just sell something and then close anytime he wants. Yeah. Okay. So it's not that busy. Yeah. So now for the imposed load simply means live load. For the imposed load, if you just right click on that place, click on the imposed load now, and then right click, you will see a series of different load based on the building types. Okay. Can you see that? Now, had it been we are designing for let me say a private building, we would have used the first one that says general domestic use. But since this is a shopping plaza, and if you look at again below, you will see where we say shopping area. Can you see that place there? Come down, shopping area. Can you see that? Now, this shopping area here is for a shopping mall, not for this kind of shopping. This one is for a plaza. Why this one that is here that says shopping area is for a mall. I don't know the kind of mall you have on your country, like the mall you have, but I think the like the one that you know in the world, like Amazon shopping mall, and this other one, and Walmart. Yes, those are malls that is very big. But this other one now that we're doing right now is for a plaza. It's not like a mall. So don't use this 4.0 shopping area as for this kind of mall. This is only used for a shopping mall. Now, for this other one now, it is good to use 2.5. 2.5. So it's like this one that says balcony and dwelling place, or office area. Yes, it's like an office. So it had the same load like an office. These other shops now, I think in your country you might see that kind of thing, like on your street. You see where where they are selling some things. I don't know. On your street there are some shops. Yes. So those kind of shops, it is good to use 2.5 as the life load. 2.5. So yeah, but we used to use office area as a similar type of the load. So choose office area. Choose office area. You can see office area there. Yes. Yes. No, use that one above 2.5, because 2.5 is the load. 2.5, yes, 5 is load. Yes. So right now, this is the only thing you have to put, and then begin to click on the panels to insert your slabs. So begin to click now on the panels now to put your slab where you have slabs. On the panels, yes, click there and click on all the panels except the staircase. Okay, so put everywhere you have slab. Okay, okay, that's fine. So right now click on escape. Click on escape. Now go and check your 3D view. To check your 3D view, just scroll up. I don't know if even I've seen on my video. Yes. If I click there, no, yes, yeah, and then click 3D view. Yeah, that's fine. So you can now see that this is now the first floor slab, and the space below is the ground floor. Can you see that? The space below is the, yes, that space below is the ground floor, while the slab is the first floor slab. Can you see that? So save now. What is left now is for us to insert story. I don't know if you still have time or you want to sleep, then we'll continue tomorrow. So let me know. Okay, so let us now go and insert story. Once it is done saving, we will now insert story. Okay, so right now, go back to your plan view. Go back to your plan view. Okay, now to insert story, since we have done with the beam, slab, and column, to insert story now, go to building setouts. Yes, and then click on insert story. So put story 2 there because we already have story 1. So put 2 there. Put 2. Yes, 2. And then press OK. Yes. OK it now. OK. And then now click on no. Make your story 1 active. Before you generate, you must make the one that you're copying from active. So no, just click on it. Yes, okay. Now go back to that place again now, building set out, and then click on generate story. Yes. Now click on yes, target. Yes. Now hold on. Okay, just continue. Just close. You are meant to remove slab since you no, just continue. Just say close. Yeah, just close. Now you can see that close. Yeah, you can see that on the story 2 now we now have slabs. But basically, this building, I don't know if you want to use a slab roof for the slab, or we should use a roofing sheet for the roofing. What do you want us to use? I don't know the one that is most common in your country. Is it slab roof or the roofing sheet? Okay, so right now remove slab. Okay, so since we are going to use the roofing sheet, remove slab from this floor, from this story 2. So you have to remove all the slab. To do that, go to your tree. No, that will take you time. Go to your tree. Click on that plus. No. That plus sign by the slab. There's a plus sign. Yes. Click on it to drop all the slabs down. Now click on the first slab. Hold your shift key and on the last slab. Go down. Hold your shift key and click on the last slab. Hold your shift key. Yes. Now click on delete. Delete. Say yes, say okay. Okay it. Just okay there. Yes, that's fine. So right now, take your pen. Take your pen. First of all, I told you last time how we used to how we got our depth of beam to be 450, right? I told you that 450 starts from the slab down to the beam, right? So right now that on this floor we don't have the slab again, which is 150 depth. What will now be our beam depth on this floor? What what will be our beam depth? Yeah, so let me, that's fine. Yes, that's fine. So whenever you don't have a slab on a beam, you are meant to subtract the depth of the beam from the slab depth. that will give you the actual beam depth on that particular floor that there is no slab. Because if you don't subtract it, that means that you are trying to do what they call over design, and it is not good because it will have impact on the cost of the building. And for a good engineer, it is good while you consider both the stability of the structure, you also consider the cost of the structure, because a good design should not be too expensive for the clients to build. Okay, so right now we're going to reduce the depth of the beam on this floor. So click on the beam now on your tree, under your structure tree, on story 2, click on beam, and then right click and say beam table. Do you hear me, Rinah? Okay, okay. I say beam, not slab. I say click on the beam now to reduce the beam depth. Click on the beam, right click and say beam, no, no, beam table. Right click on beam table. Right click here, beam table. Okay. So right now that place that says H bottom, click there. That H spot, H bot, H bot, H bot. Click there and then reduce it. You already know how to reduce your depth. Click on that place that says column wise edit. Yeah, always click there when you want to reduce. Put in your new depth now and say okay. Exactly. So yeah, say okay. Or will change it automatically. Okay, that's fine. So right now, let's go out on our 3D view again and go and see 3D view. Okay, that's fine. So right now, what is left now is for us to put our beam wall load, sorry, block walls load on the beam, and then edit our height of story. But before we put our beam wall load, let us first of all edit our height of story. So just be here, just be on this 3D view. Go to your building setout and then click on edit story for us to edit the height of our stories. Okay, sorry, let me just be slow now. So I said once you insert your story, the next thing for us to do is now edit our story height, knowing that the height of our ground floor might be different from the height of our first floor. And also we also need to add our level of DPC level. I don't know if you know what they call DPC level. Do you know? Okay, DPC simply means dam proof course. So you can see that in most of the buildings, you can see that you can see some buildings that before you must enter the building, you might climb one or two steps, right? Hello, are you with me, Rena? Just hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Where you are now, just hold on. Where you are now in your house now, are you upstairs or you're downstairs? Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, normal ground. So right now, you can see that before there is a level be just okay, yeah. Okay, hold on. Right, yeah, I know. I say right now, damp proof course or damp proof level, or let me say DPC level simply means you can see that where you are now inside your room and the compound, it has different level, right? That a small level. Yes, so that small level is called DPC level. So that's a level I want us to put now. And also the height of your room from the ground to the ceiling. That's what we want to put now. Those differences. Okay. Yes, I'm talking about difference between the compound level, which is your like compound simply means like your environment. Yes, like the environment and your and the ground, which is your room, like inside your room. So there's a different level. Yes, so those level you must take that into consideration too. So now go to your building set out and then go to edit story. Okay, so right now the first thing to do, you can see the place that says story and H. I don't know if you can see that. Yes. So we need to put the height. Yes, we need to put the height of our story one and the height of our story two. So the height of the ground floor and the height of the first floor. So basically, you would have gotten these levels. Had it been this our building plan has elevation, you would have seen the level like the height of the ground floor and the first floor on that on those plan. But since we don't have elevation here, we will just use the one that is very typical in most of the buildings. Ground floor usually have three. Yes, I said basically we would have gotten this our height. I say basically we would have gotten this our story one and story two heights on the building plan. Can you hear me? I said a complete building plan would have come with both a plan and elevation and the sections. But yes, yes, exactly. So we would have gotten all these levels from there. But since we don't have that those our drawings completed, we will just assume this height now. And why assuming the height? We will use the standard height because there are some height that are standard if you don't have your drawing being like if you don't have those values from your drawing, you can use the standard height. So the normal height now, which is now recommended for the first floor, it is good to add 150 to it. So since you are seeing that is called 3 meter, you can add 150 as the height of our first floor or 3.2. So you can choose 150 as the height of the first floor, which is that story one. So put that place there. So put that place 150. Yeah, put that place 150 as the height of the story one of the ground floor. Yes. No. Like I said again, hold on. I said before that basically before you must begin your design, they must have sent you drawing, the complete drawing. And a complete drawing comes with the building plan, building elevation, and the building section, which from that section you would have gotten all these your elevation levels, the height. That's why you would have gotten it. But if maybe you didn't get it from that place and you have asked them and maybe they don't know the level, then it is good to use a standard level. And this standard level simply means that you should add 150 to the 3 meter, knowing that 3 meter is the like 3 meter that's the minimum height of a level of a like a story. Yes. So that is why this software use it as a default as 3 meter, knowing hoping that you are going to put in your own level, yeah, like your own height of story. Yes. But me now, I'm telling you that if maybe you didn't see those values from your building plan, then you can add 150 to the story one or 200 to story one, so that instead of you having 150, 3 meter, you have 3.15 or 3.2 as the height of your story one, and then story two you can just leave it as 3 meter as it is. Yes, the reason of adding that 150 or 200 to the ground floor level is because during construction, by the time they have done their sand filling and all that, they must have taken off some of the like they must have taken off and also added their tiling and all that. They must have taken off some values. So we just add that 150 level or 200 level to be able to make up those values which will be taken off based on sand filling. I don't know if you get what I mean. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I don't know if you get what I mean. Okay, fine. So now, just give me like 1 minute. Let me take my charger. My this thing want to go down. System. Let me charge my laptop. Just 1 minute. I'm coming right now. Okay, yeah. Okay. I'm back. Okay, yeah, I'm back now. So let's. So once you've put your story one level, once you've put your story one level and your story two, which is 3 meter, then to now put your DPC level. If you go to your left hand side, sorry, your right hand side, you can see that it says first story button level. Can you see that? Can you hear me? Sorry. Okay. So if you go to the place where they says you can see they say first story button level. Can you see that? First story button level. Yes, that place. Yes. So that place now is simply the DPC level. That's the level between the compound and your building. Like level. Yes, 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 that one, that place, and that place has a default values to put, and the value is that for a private building, it is good to use 450 as a level. Why for like let me say um public buildings like bank, schools, and all that shopping area, it is good to use 600. Although these values can change when they go to site. If they go to site and they see that a site, let me say that a site is very low, like it's very low from the road level, they can choose to they can choose to add this height to up to 1 meter, 750, 800. But the actual values which we use on our design, if we don't have this value, is to use 450 and 600. So 450 is for what? I said it's for what? Okay, and then yes, and then what again? Okay, so right now this is now a public building, so use 600 as our first story button level, which is called DPC level. 600. Okay, so this is the value you have to put. For the foundation depth, don't put foundation depth because that one that says foundation depth. Yes, is during the construction they can be able to know the depth of the foundation. Okay, so just leave it as default, 1 meter or 1.1 or 1.2, and then just say okay. Say okay now. Say yes. Yes, yeah. Okay, so right now, let me now show you to now put our wall load. Wall load. To put wall load, no, just be on, no, still be on this place. Still be on this place. To put a wall load, click on the first beam, click on any of the bin on the ground floor. Yes, yes, does that ground floor. The ground floor, yes, any of that one. You can click on that one. Click that one. Yes, click on it first, then right click. Click first before you right click. Okay, now click on the place that says edit bin wall load. Okay, now pick up your pen and paper. How to calculate wall load or wall load. Yes, wall load. Okay, so right now there is what they call wall unit weight. Wall unit weight simply means the weight of a block. Do you get me? So like if you just like one block now, if you carry one block up, wall, yes. What I mean by wall unit weight, wall unit weight simply means the weight of one block. The weight of one block. Can you hear me? Okay. So right now, the weight of a block now using 225 or let me say 200 also is still okay. 200 as a block size as a case study, either 200 block size or 225 block size as a case study. The weight of a block of one block is 2.8. 2.8 without a plaster. Without plaster. Do you hear me? Okay. Yeah. 2.8. Yes, 2.8. No, no. Kilo, yes, kilogram, but they'll be no, they'll be changed to kilonewton. So it's a kilonewton we are working with. Kilonewton. So it's 2.8. So 2.8. Now, knowing that every building, you know that once they are done building, they must put plaster left and right, right? They must put a plaster, both external and also internal, right? So now we are going to add that load now on that weight of one block. So now the weight of plastering is 0.3. But knowing that you are going to plaster both external and internal, so we'll do it times 2. So 0. Yes, that is the weight of plastering on just one side. On just one side. But knowing that you are meant to plaster both the external and the internal, so now just change it to be 0.6 because of we are going to plaster external and internal. So if you add this 0.6 now, which is that plastering load, to the weight of one block, which is 2.6 and 2.8, what do you have? Okay, okay, just hold on. Open your Google. Open your Google. Let me show you from there. Open Google. Let me show you from there. Google. Yes, Google. No, 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 no. Just go down and then open your browser. Don't close. Don't close. Just go down. Open your browser. Yes, yes. Open that browser. Just open. No, 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 not that one. Open the other one. Yes, open that one. Let me see. Yes. So go to Google. Just open a new tab. Open a new tab. Open a new tab. A new tab. No, no, no. Like that plus sign. You can see a plus sign there. You can see a plus sign. A plus sign at the end. Yes, click there. Yes, click that place and type google.com. Just type google.com. Close this thing that is same there. Close it. Yes, and type google.com. Yes, just .com, and press enter key. Okay, so right now just type unit of block, unit of block. Type, yes, unit of block, weight of block. Yeah, you can use a small letter to type. Yeah, weight of block. You can put a size of 200 block size and block wall. Block wall. Yeah, you can put block wall. Just say block wall first. Now put 200 before the block. 200 before the block. Yes, 200 block wall. And press enter. Yes, that should be seasoned. Yes, just press enter. Just let me see. Go down. Let me see. Go down. Let me see. Okay, now I'm seeing the just that is in kg. That's in. I don't want kg. I want go down again. Go down. I want it to have on yes. Just let me see. Hold on. Okay. Yes. Check this guy that says struck civil, struck villa. I don't know, struck view, struck view. Come down. Yes, that one. That guy there. Come down. No, the next one. Yes, that guy. Yes, you can see that this guy gave it perfectly. Okay, open that one. Open it. Yes, that's my country guy. No, not that one. The next one, struck view. Yes, that one. Yes, that one. Okay. So just go back. Just go back. Okay. Just go back. Open the next one. Yes, that one. That one. Yes. Yes, that one. Open that one. Okay, yeah. I think okay. Go down. I think that value I gave you 2.8 was even 2.87, not 2.8. So go down. Let me just show you. Go down. Go down. They'll show you the end how to do that. Go down. Just be scrolling down. Okay, stop. Let me see again. Go down again. Go down. Go down. Scroll down. Just hold on. This is fine weight of block. This is for metals. So go and look for block. Go and look for block. This, this for glass. Not this one. I think it should be yes, yeah. Correct. So you can see that for yeah, it's 2.8. So change it to change your value to 2.87 from your notes. It's 2.87, not 2.8 here. It's 2.87. So put 2.87, and then you can now if you add plastering load now to this value, now if it just go down, you can see plastering load too. I think you can see yes, it's there. Yeah, it's there. Look at it there. Wall finishes, both sides. Can you see that? Both sides. That's the plastering. Yes, 0.6. Yes. Okay, that's fine. So if you add 0.6 now plus that 2.87, that gives us a full weight of block with the plastering. So that will give you 3.47, right? Confirm that. Confirm that. Is it? I say if you add that block weight now and the plastering load, what do you have? What do you have? Okay, now go now. Minimize now and then go back to your software. Protastructure. Just minimize this. Don't close it. Just minimize. Minimize is for you to click that minus button at the top right. Yes, that one there. Yeah. Okay. So now put in that place that says unit weight of wall. Now, what's your value now? What's your value now? Yes. What's your value now? Correct. So that's how to get. Yeah. So that's how to get the value. That value you're seeing there, 3.47. That was how we got it. Weight of block plus the plastering weight and load. Okay, so put the value now. Type in the value. Type in the value 3.47. Yeah, I'm with you. You can still go and check the like the weight of the bricks. I think you can go and check it there too. Yeah, or you can just do a research on the weight of bricks, and then yes, for just one block. That's why it is called what unit. It is just one. So now, if we now put our height now, it will now multiply the block times the height. So put your wall height now. Come down and put your wall height, which is the next one. Put your wall height. It now multiply it now by the height. So the height now, the height. Hold on. Yes, 3.1. No. That's in meter, not millimeter. So it should be point. It should be point, not 3 points. Now, yes. Now hold on. Just hold on now. Now hold on. Now let me tell you one simple trick now. You know that this your block wall will stop directly beneath your beam at your beam bottom, right? I'm asking a question. Correct? Now open your calculator first. Open your calculator on your system or on your phone, anywhere at all. Okay, now what is the height of your story? Hope is 3.15, right? That is the total height of the story, right? But that is for story 1 and not story 2. Story 2 is 3.0. So that should be 3.0. Take off that 3.15. It should be 3.0 because that 3.15 is only on the ground floor and not on the first floor. I don't know if you get what I mean. Okay. So right now, the height of our story is 3.0. But knowing that the block wall will stop directly beneath the beam, right? So we are going to subtract 3.0 minus the beam depth of 300 because the block wall will stop under the beam depth of 300. Correct? Okay. First of all, remove that 3.15 which I'm seeing there on that height of wall and leave that 3.0 because yes, now, yes, we are on story 1 because you can see the beam that you're clicking is on the ground floor and the block wall will start from that beam up to the last beam there. I don't know if you get what I mean. So that story 1, that story 2 is where the block wall will like stay. And that story 2 height is 3.0, right? Now, I am not telling you that the block wall will not contain all the 3.0 because there is a roof beam above it. Can you see that? Roof beam having a depth of 300. So that block wall will stop where the beam bottom is, right? So we will now subtract 3 meter minus the beam depth of 300. So that yes, for us to get the actual wall height, that is the height where the wall will contain. So if we now minus 3 meter minus 300, that gives us 2.7, right? So that will be the actual wall height, 2.7. So put in 2.7 now on that place, which is the wall height. So when you're putting your wall height, always subtract the story height minus the beam depth that is above the wall. So put there 2.7 because that is our actual wall height, correct? Yeah, so put there 2.7, 7. Then what do you say? What do you say? No, 2.7 is okay. Then the next one now, the wall thickness. What's your wall thickness? 225, right? So put it to now, that should be in meter, 0.225, that should be in meter, right? 0.225, that should be in meter. Okay, now click on OK. Automatically now it will just show the wall load there. So right, can you see that? So right now, right click now on that beam for us to paste it now on all the places that has wall load. So right click now and copy beam wall load. Copy beam wall load. You can see that say copy beam wall load. Yes. So now let's assume that all the ground floor beam has wall load on it. Go to your tree, click on that plus sign beside the beam, and then click on the first beam and on the last beam, because for us to paste this beam wall load now on all the beams, for us to be fast, let's do it like this. No, don't just close. Click on the first beam, hold your shift key, and on the last beam, close that in. Hold your shift key, the first beam first, hold your shift key. No, that should be on story 1, not story 2. Not story 2, story 1. Because story 2 is the roof. So go to story 1. We are putting the beam on story 1 beam. Yes, not story 2. Make your story 1 active. Okay, hold on. This beam that you clicked, where is it? Yes, where is the beam? On what place? Okay, hold on. Click on your story 2 beam. Let me see. Just where on your model now. Let me see your story 2 beam. No, on your model. What is it? What are you saying there? Story 1, right? Can you see the beam? Correct. So the one above is the story 2. That one above, yes, that's story 2. Can you see that? So if it is for a one-story building, you put your wall load on story 1, and then that block wall will now go up to story 2. I don't know if you get what I mean. You can see our block wall now. You can see our block wall. We put the block wall load on story 1 beam, and then that block wall, which is that hashed symbol you're seeing there, now went up to story 2 beam bottom. Can you see that? If you put your block wall load on story 2, you will see that it will now be going up to the roof, which is not correct. So always put your block wall load beneath the beam, not the one above. Yes, except you have up to 2 story, then you can put another block wall load again on the next story 2. So right now, let us now click on story 1 beam. Make it to be bring down your beam. No. Make your yeah make your story, yes. Then click there, drop it down, drop it down. Yes, on the last one, go to the last one, hold your shift key. Now right click now and say paste. Right click and say paste. Paste copied bin load. You see there, paste copied bin load. Correct. Paste it now. So we are now assuming that all, yes. So we are assuming that all, yeah, okay, let me hear you. Let me hear you. Yes, I'm coming. Don't worry. We will have to go and remove those ones later manually. Yes. Okay. So right now, escape now and go to plan view of story 1. Let's go and remove those places that are not having wall loads. Escape now and go to plan view of story 1. Plan view of story 1. Then zoom. Yeah, zoom now. Now those ones those beams that you know that are not carrying wall load, hold your control key and then select them, and then right click and say delete beam wall load. Zoom in now. Those balconies. Yes, those beams there. Those beams there. Not that one. Not that one. The one on grid line Y3. That's the first beam ever. The first beams. Yes, all that line. No, 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 don't do that. Don't do that. Just come out. Yes, click on that first beam now. Yes, click there. All the beams on that line are the balconies, right? They don't have block wall loads. So click now. But leave that one first. Let's do these first ones first. Hold your control key and select all the beams on that line and click them. Click them one by one. Hold your control key. Make sure you hold your control key. Yes. So continue again. Click on all of them. Yes. Continue again. Again. No, 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 not that one. Not that one. The next one now. Go on to the next one. Yes. No, 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 not the one that is going horizontal now. Yes, that one. Continue again. That one again. Yes. Continue again. Continue. Okay, that's fine. And now just hold on. If I click now first, let's and say delete beam wall load. Let's take that one off first. Just 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 right click and then delete beam wall load. Right click. Delete beam wall load. Delete beam wall load. Yes. Say yes. Yes. Okay. Now escape now and look at it. It's off. Now do it again for the next places that you know that don't have wall load. Those ones going horizontal around the lobby. Around the lobby. Around the lobby. Not that one. The one that is not that one. That one has a wall because that one is external wall. Yes, that one now. Yes, that one. That one should go off. Yes, I know that you want to ask that there is a wall, like part of it has a wall. Yes, exactly. I know. I will show you something that's how to create a partial wall load. But if I do it now, it will take time. It will take time a lot. I'll show you that later. So, but first of all, just know that in a case where you don't know what to do, you can leave it like that. It is good it is good to like for you to design for a worst condition, and the worst condition for that beam is for the whole beam to carry wall load, right? Yeah. So just know that when you're doing your design, it is good for you to design for worst conditions. So in a case where you cannot remove wall load, like for this case now, had it been there is no way for us to do a partial wall load, then just know that just know that you can take a worst condition. That's to have a wall load on all the beams. Okay. But now let's leave that one now. Continue with the next one that is below, and then take off all those ones. Yes, those ones now you can take those ones off. So click on it and then hold your control key and select all the beams that just like that. Similar. You have all of them there. Similar. Click on them. Yeah. Again. Next one again. Okay. Okay. That one too. Zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. Yeah. That one too. Not the slab. The beam. Yeah. Yes. That one too. Should go off. Zoom in. And the one verticals now, you still have some of them. Yes, 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 all those ones. Yes, that one too. Yes, all those lines too are not having. Even the one here is not having too. This one that is below, yes, those ones, yes. And the one above now, no, 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 the one above, no, 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 don't take that one off. That one has a wall. The one above, like the one above at the top, go up, go up. There are some at the top. Go up, 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 up. Yes, those ones. Yes, those ones. And that one. Yes, yes, that one. No, 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 no. And the last one below, like, come back, come back, come back, come back. No, 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 no. Vertical, come back. The vertical on grid line. Yes, yes, that one, yes. That's the final one. So delete it now. Delete the bin wall load. Right click now. Yes, 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 yes. That one too. Take it off. Right click now and say remove bin wall loads. Yeah, just click on it again. Click on it. Just no. Okay. Delete bin wall load. Yes. Take off. Take it off. Take it off. Yes, and say yes. Now that one that you made a mistake, click on it and then paste it back. The one you made a mistake, click on it and then paste it back. Yes. Right click now and say paste. Paste, yes. Paste. Yes, say yes. Okay, that's fine. Yes, that's fine. So that's all. First of all, save. Save what you have done so far. Save what you have done, then go to 3D view. 3D view. Okay. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, even mine too, even mine. That's how it does with this software. It takes so long to save, yeah. Okay. Okay. So right now go to your 3D view. 3D view. Okay. So right now you can see that there are some beams that are carrying wall load and some not carrying wall load, right? Which other one? No, that's staircase. That's it. Okay, yes. So you can do it from here. You can do it from here. Just click on it. You can do it from here. I say you can do it from here. Click on it. Just click on it and then remove it. Not that one. You no, you just said there is one that we didn't remove. Which one is that? Yes. N- No, no, not that one. Not that one. The one that is going horizontal. Not that one. Horizontal one. Yes, this one that is horizontal here on the staircase area. That is horizontal. Okay, just go to your plan view. If it's hard for you here, go to your plan view and then you move it from there. Go go to your plan view if it's okay. Me, I'm seeing it here. Yeah, go to your plan view. The one on the staircase, the one crossing the staircase, horizontal. That's the one. Two of them that is crossing the staircase. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Yes. Yes, those two. Yes, that one. There should not be a wall there because yes. The one there and the one below. Yes, so there should be an opening there and the one below and the one below. There's an opening there to create access. Yeah, so yeah, those two. Yes, yes, that one too should go off. Yes, that one too should go off. There's no wall load there. So no. There should be a wall there because that is an external wall. Yes. So remove the walls. Remove delete bin wall load. Yes. Okay, that's fine. Okay. So escape now and go to your 3D view. Let's go and do the last. No. That one should be there because of external wall. External wall is okay. Even if even if they not even if aside they might choose to remove it, but it is good to design for the worst conditions. So that's the worst condition they can have, is to have wall load there. Okay, so go to your 3D view now. 3D view. Okay. Okay. So basically we are done with our modeling. Next thing to do now is to now begin analysis. But first of all, let me show you how to change colors. To change your color of your member. Or do you like this color? They're seeing like this. Okay, not there. Okay, yes, that place. Yes, that place. Now you can choose to change your column hash color. You can change that one. Column hash color to, I don't know the color you might want to use. Yeah, you can choose to change. Let me see if you're a good color. Yeah, let me see if you're a good color person. So choose your color by yourself. Choose any color you want to choose. Let me know if you can choose the right colors. Yeah, that's what I'm saying now. It is that one saying it is based on your own choice. So let me know if you know how to choose color very well. So let me know if you know how to dress, like choose your color dressing very well. Like when you're going for your classes, lectures, if you can dress colors very well. Next thing is your beam. Go to your beam. There is no wall, so go to your beam. Go to your beam. Yes, beam hash. Yeah, choose a color for that. I don't know the color you choose, so choose any color that you want to choose. Don't choose a color that will affect your eyes. So choose the right colors. Don't forget you have already choose yellow for your column, so your beam should be a different color. So what did you choose for your column? Okay, maroon. Okay, then go to your slab now. Go to your slab. Go and choose for slab. What do you want to choose for slab? Light blue. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Then go to your partition walls. No, partition walls. Partition walls. Go down. Partition walls. Yes. Now you can choose any wall. Now, once you're done choosing, on this partition wall, you are meant to increase this thing that looks like a volume button for it to be. What color are you using there? Let me know. You can choose gray color 8. You can choose gray color 8. Color 8. You can see that gray, the first line on that side, the first line, color 8. That's the first line, like the first above. The first gray color above. Yes, that one is color 8. That's color 9. Yes, that 8. 8 is okay. Then when you choose 8 now, increase this, yeah, increase it up. Increase that in to the end. For it to be dense. Second, yeah, to the dense, yes. Then say okay. That's all you have to choose. Say okay now. No, you don't have shear wall here. Shear wall is for a reinforced wall. We don't have reinforced wall. What we have is just the partition wall, which is the block wall. Yes, shear wall is for lift, like for a reinforced wall. And on this building, we don't have shear wall. What we have, yes, yes, those are block walls. Yes, exactly, yes. And we use that only when we are doing for lift or when our building have a shear wall. Okay, so you can now see how to change color, right? You have seen that, right? Okay, that's fine. So you can see how to change color. So basically, we are done with our modeling. The next thing to begin is our structural design, analysis. But I think it's already late on your country. This is almost past 1, and your system is getting done. So what will happen is that I'll send you a bidding plan to be sure. I don't. Hello, can you hear me? To be sure that you have understood. what we have done. Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah, I'm saying that it's already late right now in your country. This is already past 1 a.m. So we will end the class for today. But for us to be sure that you have understood what I've done so far, I'll give you, yes, can you hear me? I'll give you I'll give you a reading plan, which you have to do the GA and the model so fast tomorrow. Yeah, so that tomorrow when we meet, I'll see what you have done, and then we'll now come back to this other one, and then begin for the design and for the checking and for the foundation design. All right. So I'll send you a reading plan. That one that was doing before, that we did on the first day. That one story building that I did. Hello. Yes, model it. Yes, yes. You do the framing for it, and then do the modeling. Don't forget that that building has a circular column, right? And I told you that, yes. So I'll send it to you first. Then let me know what you have come up with. Okay. Okay. So just let me just check your mail now. Although then tomorrow also I'll send you this video, which I just recorded. In case maybe you didn't grab anything, you can choose to watch it up. Okay. Okay. So let me just do that now and then send it to your mail. Just save. Yeah. While you're saving, let me send it to your mail now. Um. Okay. Yeah. Should be here. Here is. Okay. Okay. So how did you see the class for today? Did you like did, do you like how you're casting your screen, or I would have been the one casting my screen? Which of them? Exactly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's why I said before that time will come when you'll be casting your screen, because that's the only way you can be able to understand very fast. Okay. 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 That's fine. Let me just. So I'm coming. No, no, no. Just hold on. I'm coming. Hold on. I'm coming. Trying to send this into you. Uh, okay. Check your mail now if you have seen that. So I'll just call this assignment 2. So you're meant to complete the framing and the design. Sorry, and the modeling. All right. So yeah. So before weekend, we should be entering. So check your mail now. I'll send it to you. Before weekend or by weekend, we should be entering the 4-story building or 5-story building, and that one has a wind load. Okay, yeah, I didn't tell you about wind load. Yes, I said that by weekend we should be entering 4-story building or 5-story building, because you have done 1 story, right? Or okay, let's be entering the 3-story building. Yeah, 3-story building is okay. So by 3-story building and 4-story building, we should be doing wind load, because wind load starts from a building that is up to 10 meters high. So once your building is up to 10 meters high, you are meant to consider wind effect or wind load on that building. All right. Then also, I hope your country doesn't have earthquake, right? Yes, I believe no earthquake on your country, right? Rena, can you hear me? Now I'm asking a question. Your country doesn't have earthquake, right? Okay, what are you saying? Yeah, I can hear you. What are you saying? I can hear you. Okay, okay, yeah, okay, okay, yeah, because yeah, because al- although right now, I'll you won't be any earthquake design now because since you're still a young engineer, earthquake design is very complex. So I won't teach you that now, else it will just confuse you. So what I'll teach you is how to design building without buildings without earthquake. But I'll teach you wind load because you are meant to know wind load design because once your building is up to 4-story building, you are meant to apply wind load effects. So wind load effect starts from a building that is up to 10 meters high, and 10 meters high it's approximately 4-story building upward. So from four-story building, you're meant to apply wind load. So by let me say for Nati weekend, we should be entering into four-story building, and from that we are going to apply wind load effects on the buildings. Okay, so you're meant to finish up. Check your mail. Check your email, please, on your phone or either your lap. I think I've sent to you. So confirm if you have seen that. Check. Yes, yes. I don't know. Yes, yes. You can see that one story building. Yes, that one. That is it. So download it. Open it. Let me see now. Open. Let me see. Check your download button. I think yeah, yeah. Yeah, with you. Okay. I tell you that a basically a complete plan is meant to have elevation. Okay, tomorrow, no worry. I'll send you a complete plan. I think the one we will use for 5-story or 4-story is a complete plan. So you will see how plans are. But most time, yes, exactly. So I'll send you a complete plan to see how a complete plan looks like. Yeah, okay. But if I send you, just use this one first. Then maybe on your next assignment, I'll send you a complete plan for you to see how it looks like. And then what? Okay. Yes. Yes. Block water. Yes. 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 No. 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 See, the reason why I told you to change that one was because that one from the plan, it was not given to us as a column. It was that was given to us as a block wall, as a half block wall. You understand? Had it been that was given to us as no, 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 no. If you check the layer very well, like okay, just like this one now, you can see that the color of this column was changed to green. Can you see that? Why the walls are white? But for the other one, what happened that all the walls are white, but the reason why you're seeing that shape look as if it's a column is because there is a balcony, like there is a void, like there's a balcony on that place. So those walls now are appearing like a fancy wall. I don't know if you get what I mean. They will like use a ray, there should be a handrail on those places where there is no block wall. Okay. Um, I don't know. Okay, no worry. Just finish up. I'll show you what I mean. I'll show you a building. Okay, let me just send it to you. Let me just send you something. Check your mail again. Let me no. Let me just show you what I mean. Let me show you what I mean. Just let me just open it up. I think I have a plan like that I've done before. So what I'm saying is that that bidding plan was basically they didn't put a column for you. There was no fancy column for you. What they have there was just a fancy block wall. That was what they gave you, a fancy block wall. Okay, okay, yeah, okay. How to know that it's a fancy block wall is that if you check, if had it been it was a column, eh, they would have changed the color or the line weight. You would have changed the color of that of that block or the line weight from the major block wall layer color or the line weight. But if you look at that one, it has the same line weight and the same color of the block walls exactly. That tells you that that is a short block wall. So in that course, you cannot consider it as a column, because if you consider it as a column, you will end up wasting money, because the money they would have used to cast and to reinforce that column would have been used for, let me say, to like do some things for that building. You understand? Show you a simple okay, what do you say? Yes. First thing you check for is for the color of the block and the layer name and the size. Once you have seen that, once you see a different thing altogether that doesn't have the same property of that block wall, then you must have to know if this column or it is just a cladding. You understand? If you cannot find it out by yourself, then you ask the person that did that plan if that's a column or what, because it doesn't have the same property with the block or property. You get? Okay. So let me send you. There's one classroom building I did, and that one is very complete. It has let me just send it to your mail. Let me just do that. It has both the 3D view elevation and all that. Let me see that. I think it should be here. Let me see. Comment. Okay, yeah, I've seen that. Let me just come to you. Um, okay, noise, right? I think it should be from my end. Sorry. Yeah, it's from my end. Sorry, sorry. Okay. Okay, check your. Come in. Let me just do right now. Okay. You guys have the same this thing with Kenya intonation. I say your country. You guys have the same intonation with Kenya. Kenya. Yeah, because I've trained most guys from Kenya, and they talk just like you guys. That the way You guys sound. Yeah. Exactly. With Kenya. Okay. You're the second girl I'm like training. Second lady. I don't know why ladies they don't like yeah, but just one. I've been training since last 2 years, so I've trained just one lady so far. You're the second person. I think yes, second person. But I've trained so many guys, so many men and guys too. Yeah. Okay. So that tells me that ladies don't like civil engineering very well. Like they don't see it as a passion because it is only when you see passion for something that you spend money for it. Check your mail. Check your mail now. Let me see if you can start your mail. Just refresh again, refresh. No, check. Yeah, refresh. Let me see. Just hold on. It will drop. So once it drops, oh yeah, it's there. Yeah. So that's a classroom. I use a raft foundation for that classroom block. I use a raft foundation. So that's the one we will use when we will enter into raft foundation design. We'll use this building for that. But this is just to show you how to see a complete plan, what you expect from a complete plan. So open it up once it's done loading. Okay, have you seen that? Yes, correct. So that's a so that's how a plan should be complete. If you look at now, zoom in that place, you see a level. That level I told you about, DPC level. No, just where you are seeing those classroom naming, there's a level beside it. Can you see that? Zoom in. Zoom in on the classroom itself. No, there's a level on those places that has right up, like classroom one, classroom two, classroom three, and all that. There's a level beside it. Can you see the level there? Zoom in that place. Yes. Can you see the level? Those are DPC level. That's the level I told you about, the level between the compound and the building itself. Yes, that thing you're seeing there that says FFL simply means finished floor level. So that's a finished floor level, which is 450. Yeah. So that's what I told you about DPC level. This is the level of DPC. Then if you go to the elevation, you will see the height, different heights of the building. If you go to the section, just go again, not this one, not this one. Go the next one again. No, go the next. Yeah. Okay. Yes. You can see levels there. You can see the level of. You can see that. Yeah, you can see ground floor, DPC, which simply means that first level there is 450. You can see that place that says NGL. NGL simply means natural ground level. That is the normal compound level. Normal compound level. Now you can see that it is zero. Can you see zero there? Now you can see that the next level, which is your level of DPC, is 450. That's the first that value which you put on that software. Then you can see the first floor level height, which is 4.1. Can you see that? That's why I told you that if you are not given your level, you should use 3.15 or 3.2 or 3.0. But in this case, we are given our level as 4.1. Can you see that? So right now, if you're to do the design, you are going to use your first story level as 4.1. Can you see that? And then your story 2, you can see that story 2 there, which says ceiling level 7.45. To get your story 2 level, you have to subtract 7.45 minus 4.1. That will give you the actual level of story 2. Can you see that? Exactly. So this, yes, yes, yeah, you have to subtract to get that to get that height of that story. So this is how outro. Then if you go and check your go again for the next one, go the next sheet, go the next drawing. You see where I say section. Go the next drawing, like you see sections. Go the next one. You see sections. Section X. I don't know. Yes. Go. You see a section. Go again. That's a ceiling plan and tiling plan. That's okay. That's how the chairs are going to be arranged. Furniture plan. Yeah. Since it's a classroom, they are going to arrange how they will sit, how the seats are to be arranged, and all that. No, 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 no. We don't use this. No, 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 no. We don't use these ones. This is just for then, yeah, during the building, during the construction, yeah, or to know how the or to the kind of chair they will like put on the structure. That's just what they are putting for them. This is the ceiling plan. Now, the the other one is the section. Go. Just go. We don't need all this. We don't need all these ones. Yes, this is section. No, no, no. Next one. Yes, that is section. So this section now will tell you. You can see that section now. Is then showing you um basically is showing um what you are meant to put before you put your tiling, like your base course, stone base, and all that. Go to the next one. You like see the staircase, how the staircase is moving. Go section BB. Yeah, you can see the staircase, right? You can see the staircase and all that. Yeah. But basically, this is where you get our sections. You can see that from this section now, if you need any level, you can see that we have levels here, different levels. Can you see that? Different levels, yeah, based on what you want. So you just come here and pick. What do you say? Yes, that one simply means your compound level. That's the normal level. Like if you buy a land now, that's the level of how you bought the land. That's a level. That one level means 00 level. Nothing has been done on the land, just normal ground level. That's the that one elevation. Finished ground level is the DPC level. That's the 450 which you imputed. That is your room level. That room that you are now, the room that you are now, the that level of your room against the compound level. That's what they mean, finished floor level. That SS simply means like it can be used as the tiling level, like the where your tie is. I don't know if you get what I mean. That like tie before they put ties. That's a level. Although we don't need this, they will use this during the construction. Yes, the tiling. Yes, they will tell them how they will put their mortar, the level they put their mortar before they put ties. So, but CA can be, I don't really know what they mean by, but I know that CA, that 150 is a slab. No, is a slab, like the slab they will cast before they will put the ties. That is slab thickness. Yes, that is slab thickness. That's what it means. That's a slab thickness. Which other one? Let me see that one. That's a finish grade level. Yeah, FGS simply means finish grade level. I believe this this FGL simply means finish ground level or grade level. This FGL that is finished ground level, it can be that, let me say that this might be the level from the road to your compound, to your land. It might be that the road is very high. So for them to achieve the before they build this, then before they can be able to use this land to build this structure, they must fill this land to meet the level of the road. So what it means is that it is 7.9 meters down from the road level. So they are meant to fill this land up to 7 meters before they can get to the road level. That's what it means. No, no. Okay. What I mean is that I don't know if you are on your bed now. Where are you now? Are you on your bed or you're on the chair? Okay. If you're on your bed now, yes, on the bed now. Now, let's assume that the bed is the road level, like is the road pavement level. Why the ties now? That ties now is the land that you bought, that you want to use for your structure. So that level, you can see that there's a distance between the bed and the ties, right? So let me assume that if you want to build on the ties now, you must make sure that the tie had that the tie have the same level with the bed. Else, if you build like that, when there is a rainfall, all the rain from the bed will like flush down into your land, right? So for you to avoid that kind of issue, you must make sure that the ties now have the same level with the bed before you must begin any building. Yes, now you have to go and buy soil, like sand, like no, like soil or sand or soil, to now backfill, like backfill here and fill it up to the level that you want. Yes. So now once you fill it up now, that once you fill it up now, you now come to what they call datum level. That's 0 0 level. That is, it now has the same level with the road. Yeah, that's what it means. Yes. What it means is that they are trying to tell the person that will build this structure is that he that person must backfill up to 7.9 meters before he must begin to put his slab, like all this slab. Yes, he must backfill before he must begin anything on the land. Yes, that's what it means. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So you can just study this plan. Maybe whenever you have time, you can be to study it. Yeah. Although, as a civil engineer, you are meant to know how to read a plan. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's big. It's big. This is a yeah. This is a Scooby. I did the drawing actually. I did the drawing actually and the design everything. I did this drawing. I drew this drawing. Yeah. Yes. I did it. Yeah. Yeah. you 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 want to know how to draw a plan? Well, it's good for a yeah, it's good for every civil to know, because if you can't draw a plan, that means that you cannot correct a plan. Yeah, it's good to draw to for at least for you to know how to draw a plan. But I think they must have taught you guys how to draw a bidding plan now. I think so. Now I'm asking, sorry, hello, can you hear me? Please cast your screen. I think your listing went off. Recast your screen. Okay. Yo, I said they must have taught you guys how to draw a bidding plan. I don't know. Okay. That's fine. O- Okay, okay. But just know that for you to be able to know how to, like, for you to be grounded in civil engineering as a whole, you must apply consistent practice. Consistent practice. You understand? Like now,
as I've taught you design now, like how to do your framing. If you have any building plan on your system, just pick it up whenever you're free and begin to do framing, because it is only by doing that you'll be able to master how to frame building very, very well. You understand? Don't just do one and then go and just relax. No, consistently do it whenever you are free. Just pick up building plan and begin to practice. You understand? Even if you have done it before, pick up another one again. Continue. Be doing it. You understand? And also, if you have any other, yeah, I can hear you. Okay, okay, that's not a problem. That's not a problem. I have over, let me say, over 5,000 plans, so it's not an issue. I'll send you plans. Don't worry. Oh yeah. Okay. So first of all, the one I've sent you, which is that your assignment two, make your GA on that one and model it. All right. Okay. Model it. If you can model that one, you can use this one and model. So anyone, but this is why I would say it's not easy because this one is a very big building. It might take you time to like finish it up. But if you can do it, yes, it's a very big building. But if you can finish it up, it is still okay. But if you can't finish it up, you can use that smaller one which I sent you before and do. So any of that. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay. 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 Then this one now, let me just tell you something. If you look at this end classroom now, you can see that there is no beam on it. It's just void. It's just open. So you are meant to introduce what they call internal beams because these panels are too big. Can you see that? They are very big. So you are meant to introduce other beams now by yourself inside these classroom areas. You can see that they are very big. Some of them are 7 meters by 7 meters or by 11 meters. Yes, by yourself. You can see that. Yes. So yes, you can choose anywhere you want to like introduce, but make sure that each panels are less than 30 meters per area. Yes. Okay. No. It doesn't make sense because it will affect the structure. So, except 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 the length of that classroom is more than 10 meters, you can choose to introduce a column. But now, if you look at this now, I think we have 7.7 meters as the maximum width or length. I don't know if you can see that. Yes. Yes, yes. I said as a no, hold on. I said as a young engineer, right? As a young engineer, yes. But as an advanced engineer, you can go up to 11 meters or 10 meters, 10 meters or 11 meters. So right now, as a young engineer, that is why as a young engineer, you might not be able to have a massive building as a contract. And even if you have it as a contract, a massive building, since you don't have much this thing to be able to design that, you have to go and look for an experienced engineer. You understand? Like if you get this building now as a contract, you can see that this one might give you issue because you have 7.7 meters. Yes. Now, if you can introduce a column inside the classroom, that client can say he doesn't want a column inside the classroom. You understand? That will make you now have to span your beam up to 7.7 meters or 8 meters. So with that now, sorry, you're saying so with that now you have to go and look for an engineer that have experience that can design up to 8 meter or 10 meter beam across in a hand. So yeah, I'm with you. Okay, beam. Okay, 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 yeah. No, don't worry. That will come in play. If you check on our training course outline, we have 8 story building, right? On that 8 story building, there's a beam of 9 meters, 8 meters. Also on our there is a 2 story building plan, which is for a church auditorium. That one has a that one has a beam of 9.5 meters. So you on that building you be able to know the logic on what to do when you are when you want to span more than 6 meters. You understand? Yeah, but for now, just learn the one I've told you about 6 meter and all that. First of all, grab that one first, because if you grab too much, it might make it to be you might get confused. Understand? Yeah. So I think your this thing is done. So by tomorrow, I would like to see the model of that. So if during the noon you're having issue, you can just chat me up on WhatsApp and let me know the issue you're having while you're modeling. Okay. Then I'll send you this video tomorrow too. All right. Okay. Okay. So I think we should say a good night for this. Okay. Any question? Any question so far for today for the modeling so far? Any question? Okay, that's fine. Okay. So see you again tomorrow, or are we seeing tomorrow? Do you have chance tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow by 6 p.m. my time. That should be 8 p.m. your time. Thereabouts. I don't know. Okay now. So goodbye. See you tomorrow then. Yeah, bye.